How to add and customize navigation menus on Wix Studio. So as you can see right here on my header, I do not have a menu. Let's first add a navigation menu onto this. Click onto this plus icon that you can see right here in order to show you up onto the elements that you can add. For this, click onto this menu and search. And you can see in here some examples or categories of menu like horizontal. We also have vertical as well as breadcrumbs, paginations, and links. So here we have the navigation. You can just choose onto this which kind of the actual navigation menu you want. So for example, for this case, I'll just head over and then choose an horizontal menu in order to add it. So here are some examples. So for this case, I'll just choose a horizontal. So let me add this one. Just drag and drop it into your actual header in order to input it right there. So just select it and attach it right here. Once it's been attached, it will actually show up all of the pages that you have onto your site that you can actually navigate from there on there. So if you want to actually edit it to your liking, just click onto this manage menu option right here and then proceed to change or add some items based onto this menu that you have. So that's how you add and customize navigation menus on Wix Studio. Hope we helped.